Hi, my name is Phil and welcome to Festool TV UK. Today I'd like to talk to you about applying an edging onto circular material. And for this type of application, the Conturo K65 has an excellent solution for this. When applying edgings onto any circular type of work, having the correct pressure onto the material as we traverse around the shape means that our lives are a lot easier. And for this machine, we have one roller at the front. This will apply the lipping, but with the Conturo K65, we have an extra roller that can be used to help apply pressure as we're going around the piece of material. And this is really simple to fit. And we click it into place. It now means that I have a two-point contact on the circular piece of work while the edging is being applied. And I can also make sure I work in a tidy and easy and methodical manner by using the magazine attachment for the Conturo KA65. So my edging is rolled up on the inside of the magazine, and this will be fed through automatically by the feed roller as I work my way around the material. And this is a really simple and easy piece of easy accessory to fit, which I'll show you now. There's two pins on the left and the right hand side. Just open up the gate. Okay, so now the magazine attachment is fitted onto the KA65. I now feed the lipping or my edging into the machine. And now we're ready to apply the edging onto the material that we've been using. Okay, so now this has been applied, my next stage is to make sure I get a nice clean joint between the start and the end of the edging, and that's what I'll be showing you next. Okay, so now we've applied our edging, we need to make sure that we trim the overhang here to fit nice and neatly up to where our start point was. And for that we can use the accessory that we use to trim into the corners, and we need to remove this small bar. And we can move this to the front of the accessory and then tighten this up. The way in which this works is that there's a small cam, and as I move the green wheel forwards or backwards, this will adjust the position of the two trimming knives in this position. So when I bring the handle together, it means that the lipping is then trimmed to size. Before I start, I need to make a small pencil mark. So where I started from to where I finished, and I just put a small pencil mark on there, and I line the two jaws up of the accessory, and that will be my trimming point. Feed the lipping through, bring it forward, and then push it back. And all I'm aiming to do is to make sure that where my pencil mark was, the two jaws are going to clamp on that position and remove the waste for me. So I undo the small nut at the top, and now I can move the wheel either forwards or backwards depending on the position of my trimming. So now the two jaws are in the correct position, and I can trim the waste away. And there we have a perfect finish. Okay, so now that's been trimmed and we have a really good joint. The remaining adhesive underneath the edging can be reheated using a hot air gun, and this can then be stuck back down, resulting in a really high quality finish. One of the Festool routers can be used, or the trimming routers can be used, to take the remaining edging down, and that gives us a really good finish to our work. So I hope this has been useful to you, and I'll see you again on the next presentation. Thank you.